People generally use whole house fans to significantly cut down on their AC-related energy costs. However, there are additional benefits such as improved indoor air quality. To cool their home, homeowners run the whole house fan when it's cooler outdoors than indoors, which is usually in the early morning or evening time in order to continually circulate cooler fresh air. As the fan continues to run throughout the nighttime and early morning, more and more heat is pulled out of the mass in the home, such as furniture, walls, flooring, etc. When heat is pulled out of the mass within the home becomes truly cooled down.